everything that's going on in the world at the moment, we need this now more than ever.
Young people have a unique perspective that needs to be shared in the world.
It's going to be our future, we're the ones who's going to be growing up in it.
It's for young people, it's been set up with young people. It'll make Wales a better place to grow up.
When we are affected by something that adults make, that's concerning for us.
There's a massive want for political change, there's a want for actual politics to be decided by young people.
Hwn yw'r dechreuad perffaith I gael gwleidyddion Cymru a phethach I ryndon o'n ni. It's all about moving on, moving forward with a better society, with a fairer society as well.
Mae'r cyfle hwn yn cyfle eiraidd I sicrhau bod llais pobl ifanc yn cael ei roi yn ôl ar flaen materion pwysig Cymru.
A lot of people like my age now have got some really good ideas about changing the world, and we've got to start somewhere.